Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Estrada, and today I am going to discuss to you of how negative feedback mechanisms regulate hormone secretions in Chapter 13. Most hormones are regulated by feedback mechanisms, but most of the time, hormone secretions are primarily controlled by negative feedback, which effectors are activated and return conditions back to normal. Negative feedback keeps the concentration of hormones in blood is maintained within a narrow range. In negative feedback systems, a stimulus causes the releases of a substance whose effect then inhibit further release. Also, hormone feeds back to decrease its own production. For example, the anterior pituitary signals the thyroid to release thyroid hormones, which then stimulates the thyroid gland to produce the hormone. Blood concentrations of T3 and T4 rise. They inhibit both the pituitary and the hypothalamus in a negative feedback loop. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.